Robotic vacuum cleaner, intelligent automatic recharge cleaning robot, silent vacuum cleaner, sweeping the floor, sucking the ground, mopping the ground, 3 machines in one 338.4 centimeters cleaning tools. Applicable area, 120 to 150 square meters. Automatic recharge, upgraded version automatically recharges, automatically finds the recharger when the charge is less than 20%. Small size, also smart anti-collision, anti-drop, appointment cleaning, virtual wall. Mode of operation, mechanical remote control dual use. Sweeping and sucking 3 machines in one machine top 3, double middle sweeping brush, can suck large pieces of garbage, ultra-low working noise. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.